I got fur in the back of the truck that's going to be on the wall. Black fur.
Really?
Black fur.
That's going to look good.
Yeah. Fun.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Fuses in the back.
Sundown show.
Mm-hmm.
That was you?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the build?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, a little bit of changes since
Changes,
then.
okay. Wow.
Yeah, I have at the house, I'm building a full-blown, like, RGB LED light thing that's going to go across the top and all that.
Oh, so you're going to have this all braced off and
this
solid?
This is going to be fiberglass top.
Okay.
Yeah. And I got fur in the back of the truck that's going to be on the wall. Black fur.
Really?
Black fur.
That's going to look good.
Yeah. Fun.
Okay. Yes, sir. All right. So what's your name and full equipment rundown?
Wesley Gaskets from Moss Corner, South Carolina. We have two 7500s gain matched half ohm running four 15-inch Sundown Nightshade V4s. Last time I metered, I don't know, it was 159.9, and I was putting almost 5,000 watts piece to two 7500s make 20,000 watts. I have a Lithium 180 or 160 amp hour Protocell Lithium bank I had built by my buddy over here in Somerville.
Okay.
And, you know, it's just being put together a little bit at a time.
All right.
It's
awesome.
Definitely a little
big project. Yeah, it's a big project for sure.
Yeah,
and you got this pretty sealed off. You can tell you got it.
Well, I had it sealed off better, but yeah, it's sealed off pretty well.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm still putting it together slowly. I got a piece down here in the back that completely seals everything.
I like the port too, the way you have it curved at the end.
Yeah, I think that's. I mean,
it's a nice plus.
I think that's one of the best factors about it because I know it makes it sound better. Yeah. The first baffle I had on it was a straight L port, and I was only hitting 155, but just curving it, man. Just curving it gave me that much more.
Yep. That's the way pressure flow.
Yeah. Yep. I like it. And as long as I sit up, as long as I pull the seats up really far and like let them breathe really well, it meters very well.
Awesome.
The demo's pretty good too, but it's hot.
It is hot. Yeah. Yes, sir. Can I see the back too? Is it all open?
It's a little messy, but we can get it open.
Okay. All right.
We'll get it open.
Thank you, man. Nice. Wow. Oh, there's your battery bank. Yep. Okay. Thanks for showing me, man. Huh? Thanks for showing me.
Yeah, no, it's not a problem. It's still getting put together.
Yeah, there's your fur you're going to put on it. Yep. I like the way you got this built for like the way your airflow works.
Yeah, I got two 4-inch fans over here and one 3-inch fan over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't tell if one's in protect or not. As the air flows through it.
It goes out one way, comes in the other.
Yep.
That's a good idea. I like that. Awesome. Thank you for.
I got the amp for just the tweeters.
Yep.
I got two Sundown 125.4s.
Wow.
A little something from
that is solid, man. All the way down. That's the way to go. A lot of people don't think of that way. Just a straight box. You add all the layer.
Yep.
Layer it and then fiberglass over it.
And I was going to fiberglass here, but like I said, I hadn't got to it yet.
Yes, sir.
And I've only done one door so far.
Okay. That looks good. You did this. Wow.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I'm wrapping it in fur.
Okay. That's gonna flex. All right. That's gonna be cool.
Voltage, and this is the voltage at the amps.
Oh, so you'll be able to read your voltage at 2 different areas and your temperature and 3 different meters.
Actually, 3 different areas because this has got one too.
Oh, you got one there too. So no matter what, you know you're covered, and then you can identify your differences.
Yes, exactly. I'm paying as close attention as I can.
Yeah.
It's a little bit higher than I wanted. Yeah, that's a good frequency. I peak right around 33, so.
open, clean power, and lows are really windy too. I appreciate that, man. Thank you for the demo.
Doing my best to watch them, you know.
How was your voltage?
It started at 14.8 and it's 14.3 now.
14.3? Oh, that's not bad at all.
One alternator.
It is? Yeah.
But it's on that lithium bank, and you're like the ninth time. You're like the ninth
demo. Thank you. Nice to meet you again. Thank you for the demo, man. That was great.
Anytime.
Yes, sir. Woo. That was a great demo, man. I appreciate that.
Appreciate it. I normally don't sit in here like that. It kind of hurt myself.
Did it? Oh, I'm sorry.
It hurts your back, but it goes right.
Oh yeah, because it's
right
itchy.
under me.
Yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.